Hey, welcome to Labor Day 2023. We just got loaded up here at the house and we just got to put our clothes in. Actually, we just realized we got everything in except for that. So we have the Kodiak, the bear cage as we like to call her, all loaded up and tires checked. And I went around and made sure my gray handle and my black handle were on after last time. And we're heading out to Lampe Campground in Erie, Pennsylvania. And we have a site that backs up right to the water. So we'll show you that as soon as we get there. Look forward and happy adventures. Lampe Campground, L-A-M-P-E, I guess, and Lake Erie, and we have a site. Our lovely Dee over there. She is doing what we call working location independent today. Promotional products and anything imprinted, and sometimes that doesn't take a break. So it's Friday before Labor Day weekend. And she is sprawled out working on orders, and I'm just kind of mellowing out after we got all set up here. Okay, so we have been trying to successfully find a winery that serves lunch like they do in Ohio. Dee, how's our success going?
We're batting 1,000 that we haven't found one yet.
So now we're driving a half hour east of here, where supposedly there's a winery that serves lunch. We called ahead of time. However, we're starving. It's okay, we just got done at this place. It's called a Rundell. A Rundell. And we know it was good because they are surrounded by grapes.